boot up into Workbench and then immediately launch X-Bench, which is the game launcher we just saw. If you want to avoid that, you hold the delete key, which will kind of see that as you want to stay in Workbench. So as soon as you see Workbench coming up, hold the delete key, hold it now, Workbench launch, and we're in and we stay there. You can launch all the games from the games folder, all sorted alphabetically. So I wanted to run Galaga, for example. I can open up the G's. I like to, once it's loaded, hold the right mouse button, go to the menu and say show view by name. If you want to save that as a permanent setting, I've done that for the G folder now. I can go to window and say snapshot, this window. So I want to keep that as the view. And I can see Galaga there. I can launch Galaga directly from here if I want. Let's close that. Workbench standard install. Workbench 2 is here. You can launch X-Bench directly from here if you want, or I generally like just let it reboot automatically into it. You've all the standard Workbench tools here. You've also got a work partition with a lot of other utilities in it. For example, if I go into utilities, I can see sysinfo, so that's launch sysinfo for this machine. So we can see we've got a 2 meg ECS Agnes chip, PAL mode, 68,000 processor. Let's check on the memory. We've got 8 megabyte FastRAM, which we saw earlier. We've got 2 megabyte ChipRAM. That's the sum of the memory. If we check the drives, we've got DF0, which is our floppy drive, DH0, which is our main partition for Workbench. You can see its volume name is Workbench. We've got DH1, which is work, which is a bunch of other utilities. And we've got DH2, which is the games partition. This is how this flash card has been set up. Let's quit back out. That's it. So let's reboot. Control Amiga.